So, hi everyone. So, this is the part 2 for the fourth program. So, we have completed the quick sort. Now, I will explain the BST means binary search tree. So, this is very easy if you listen me carefully. Okay, you listen me carefully. Okay, so before we go there, let me explain something. Okay, binary search tree. Okay, binary search tree, right? BST. So, in this binary search tree, we have traversal, binary search traversal. Okay, in the traversal we have pre-order. Let me just type it particular thing. Okay, pre-order. Okay, another in order and post order. Order. So we have this three particular thing means pre-order, in order, post order. So every node. So see we have given the number as 5389192. Okay, so before that let's go for the first, we come for line by line. Okay, so bst under node we have created variable, we have passed a function with a key values which is returning the list key means node. Okay, means node, main element node, and left should be null and the right should be null. This is the creation of the node. Okay, what happening, I will just visualize that particular thing. So it becoming like this, it is creating like this. Key is equal to key is equal to key, example. So before like that, see here the keys, right? So when we pass for the bts, see, bts is a function where we are passing for this, just give a minute. Mm, okay. So before we see here, yeah, okay, see here. Yeah, okay. So see here we have key values. So in that we are passing 5389192. So the first iteration, the 5 will be inserting here, right? 5 will be inserting here. Okay. Then I'm just explaining what this only creates empty, means the 5 will be not there when it is getting the function. Then it will be having as I know bst null, and key will be having some values, and for we are inserting, keys means it is a for loop where we are just iterating till this much of keys until here. So it starts from 1 to this particular things, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. It will iterate 6 times, and go for the insert function is here, and it is passing the bst means null, and it is passing the key. Okay, so key and keys are both are almost equal because it is passing the which number. Okay, 1 2 3 4, that only. So according to it, it will make the changes, and it will take the particular value from this. 1 means 5, 2 means 3, it will iterate, you know, that a of I, like that, same thing as it is. So it will come for the insert and go for the insert function, and we are passing the bst and key. The bst come under the root, means the root what we are passing the function. The bst is null, and null will be sitting here, and the key, the first key is the 5 will be sitting here. And what happened, see, the 5 will be put here. After putting the 5, it checks the first condition is null. Root is null. Yeah, before, actually, sorry my dear friends, so it will be empty also. Actually the root will be, I means nodes will be empty. If is node is empty, if it is empty, the key which we has passed, the same thing will be put it here, 5. Okay, the 5 will be, if it is null, the root is null, this means main head is root is null, then it automatically returns the value, and the 5 will become here. Okay, and this condition It will iterate again. This iteration of 2 iterates 2 times, second time. In the iteration of second time, what happens? 3 will come in the place of key. In the place of root, we will get the 5. Okay, means 5. Okay, the 5. When we get the 5, it will check. It will check. Key means key. The current key, which is 3, which is less than or equal to key. Let me just type right here. But now the present key is uh, 3. It is asking that is less than 5. Means root at key means root. This root is from roots. Hash key means we put ARR of I, ARR of 10, ARR of key. Same as it is, we use dollar. Okay. So root of this key means key number of 2. Is it is less than or 3 is less than 5? Yes. It is 3 is less than 5. True. When it will become true, see here, the root hash node left will be inserted root left key. What happened? It will be inserting 3 here. 3 like this. Okay. The less than this 5, these things will come here, and greater than from this it will come here. So as it is, it go on, it check for the 8. For the 8, it is greater than that. So what happened? It will come here, and 8 8 is greater than 5. Yes, 8 is greater than 5. So what happened? It will assign the root node at the right side. So it will insert at the right, and the key value stored there, and the 8 will be stored here, right? So same thing, it will repeat. It go for the 1. It will go for the 1, and 1 it will be checking out it from 3, because it start from the root will become this one next. Okay, root is this one, so it will check it is less than or equal to, yes, it will less than or equal to 1 is 1 here. We will get the 1 here. Then we have 9. So 9 is greater than or equal to 8, so it will come here. 9 will be in here, this side. Then we have 2. Can you guess where it will come? Yes, it will come under the 1 right side. 3 has it is completed, should be coming 4, but it will come here, 1 of right, and then 2. Okay, so it is completed. So to write this much of the structure will be created when you write this much of code from insert function to BST node. This is the creation of the node. It will be null, nothing will be assigned. This is we are assigning the values. This is the iterating the particular keys for each time, and we are calling the function insert function, like we are putting the insert the array function like that. So in the insert function, we just calling these things. So now the main thing will start here. It is completed, right? This is completed. Now everybody know in your PUC, and as well as in your second year, and as well as in your final year, we learn the traversal techniques. We have 3 techniques: pre-order, in-order, post-order. As everybody know, we have left node, right node, and node. N also known as root node. So we write N actually. In some college, it will teach us as root. Both are equal. Root is also okay. Node is also okay. Okay. Node is the best way to implement. So everybody know. Pre means what? Pre means before. Means starting something. Still start. So just if you want to remember this pre-order and in-order and post-order, what method it follows, you just see where is the pre in and post. In means inside, in between. So pre means before we start any word, it will start. So n should be there first, then l and right. Right. In order, first will be the l, then node, then right. In the post, Can anybody guess? Post means after the word. So then it will become left. Just a minute. Yeah, left, right, and node. Okay. See, this is your node. This is our node. So in the pre, it will come in the first. In the in order, it will come in the middle. In the post, it will come in the last. So as everybody now understand, so you can see within few minutes, I will just complete this thing. So we are using in order traversal. So if it is in order traversal, we are using this, right? In order traversal, it means left, node, and right. So what happened? It will travels a particular thing in this format, left and node and r. So when I run this, if it is root is null, it is not equal to null, then it will execute, or else it will print. See, first we are calling L, means here left. According to this, yes, the condition satisfies. And then we calling the node, main node, root node. That is node. I have put the hash mark. Yes, it is calling. See in the we are calling the right node. Yes, we are calling. All the certification completed. How does it work in real format? So let me run this particular. I will not run. I will just execute from my mind from here itself. So see here. First, it start. I will change the color. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, okay. So start from this node. Let me just circle this particular thing. Think we have something here. This is our L. Okay, this is L. This is node, and this is R. So what happened in the place of L there is nothing dash. In the N place we have one. In the place of R we have two. Right? I'm right? Yes, it is completed. This iteration is completed. This completed and this completed. The same thing L, N, R. Same thing happens with this three. It will come like this. It will do like this. It will check. It will become now L. This become N. This become R. So L has already this filled one. So it will go for the three. Three will be filled here. Three, and the R is empty. Nothing is there. It will leave it. It's go up again. It's make as in 5 as N, 3 as L, and 8 as R. So it will go for the N. The L is already there. So it what I do L and R will just right. So it is already there means left. Just a minute. I think I did something. Uh, this 3 will come actually in this place, right? Actually, yeah. So this happened. Anyway, just a minute, my dear. Yeah. So we are talking about this, right? This node. Yeah, just a minute. We are talking about this node. So this L, this node, and this right this. So already we have 3 has taken. The node is 5, and another is 8. And as it is same, it become node, it become left, it become right. So already this is empty, this is already taken, this is n. So the remaining is 9. So what I said, I make some confusion for you guys because I does not have good material to draw this particular thing, but I'm using mouse to draw this. Please try yourself in a notebook, then you will 100% get to know how it is working. What I have explained the first time, if you really carefully listen, you will be getting the answer. So this is the thing, and this is the problem. I will just execute this problem. Okay, let me execute. So see, let me just give me the total value. So we are getting 1, 2, then with it here 3, then we have 5. Okay, then we have 8, then we have 9. So this should be the output according to our program. Let's run the full code. Run, boom. See the output. Sorry, yeah. See the output. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Yes, one. Yes, one is there. Yes, two is there. Three is there. Five is also there. Eight is also there. Nine is there. No extra. No nothing. According to this, it has traversal the notes. So this is the thing which is not has game. So thank you guys. This is what actually the complex one. If you really understand, please uh, practice yourself. When you practice yourself, it will really remain in your head. Okay, I have practiced and I will explain you. It is remember for me. You also learn yourself and you explain for other person. It will be remembering you for 100% time. Okay, thank you guys and like and subscribe. Don't forget. Okay, bye bye.